Rachel here, the girl with the Pilates mat, and I'm going to do a Pilates nighttime routine for you. The reason this came about is I've had so much lovely feedback lately from people writing to me, having watched the videos and telling me what they think and how they feel when they do the workouts, and it's really heartwarming. I really love to hear from you, because that's why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because I really care passionately about helping people feel better within themselves, and I do that through movement. I found for me movement's been a very healing thing in my life, and so I just want to spread the love a little bit. So if you have any feedback, do write to me, because I always try and write back within 48 hours. I'm busy in London, but I always have time for you, all right? So do think about that, because it'd be lovely to hear from you, hear what you think or what you might like to see, all right? So this is a very special routine. This is a routine for you to do at the end of your day. Now, we all have very busy days wherever we are in the world. We've all got our stresses and strains and stuff that we're dealing with. So I put this together to kind of help you wind down and just get yourself into a place where you feel relaxed and ready for rest and for sleep. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing now. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. So we're going to come and lie down on our mats. All right, we're going to have our knees bent, our feet hip width apart. We're not going to worry about anything at all. You're just going to listen to the sound of my voice. You can watch if you want to, or you can just listen to my voice, because I'll explain everything as we go through it. So I want you first of all to just draw your shoulders down and just let them kind of relax. All right, we're going to take a deep breath in through the nose. And as you breathe out through the mouth, you're not going to do anything but just try and let all the tension leave your body. All right, so take a deep breath in, feel the ribs expanding. And then as you breathe out, just imagine all your troubles just floating away with that breath. Let's do that again. Deep breath in. And breathing out. Good. Inhale. And exhale. Good. We're going to do a little gentle movement of the spine. So we're going to take a deep breath in. We're going to breathe out to pull the tummy muscles in, tilt the pelvis. And then we're going to start to peel the spine up off the floor, nice and easy. We're going to inhale there. And exhale, relaxing through the chest, coming down through the spine and back onto your mat. You're going to inhale. Exhale, tilt the pelvis towards you. Press into your feet, peeling your spine up off the floor. Nice deep breath in. And then exhale, softening through the chest, coming down through the spine and back onto the floor. And again, deep breath in, breathing out, tilting the pelvis, pushing into the feet and lifting all the way up. Inhale and exhale, coming down onto your mat, onto the floor. And one more deep breath in. Breathing out, tilting the pelvis, rolling that spine up. Good. Inhale and exhale, coming all the way back down onto the mat. And then once you're down, we're going to float those arms up, turn the palms towards each other. We're going to inhale to reach our fingers up towards the ceiling. We're going to exhale to draw the shoulders down onto the mat. So nice and easy. Inhale, reaching up, and exhale, drawing the shoulders down. Good. Going to inhale, reaching up, and exhale, draw the shoulders down, And one more, inhale, reaching up. And exhale, drawing the shoulders down. And leave the shoulder blades there. Inhale, open your arms out to the side. And exhale, bringing them back up. So I want this to feel nice and easy. Inhale to open. And exhale, up. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, up. And inhale, open. Exhale, up. Now we're going to open those hands all the way down onto the floor. You're going to bring your feet and your knees together. Alright, we're going to keep the upper body where it is. And we're going to inhale and just let the knees just gently drop over to the right hand side. So you can feel a gentle stretch through the lower back, through the hip, and then we're going to exhale to come back to the center. Going the other way. We're going to inhale over and exhale to come back. Let's do that again. Inhale over to your right. Exhale, pull the tummy in and bring those knees back. And then inhale over to your left. Exhale to come back. Last two, inhale. And exhale. And last one, inhale. And exhale. Well done. Let's bring those feet back to hip width apart. Bring your hands up and turn your palms so they're facing away from you. And we're just going to inhale to reach the arms overhead. So it's a gentle stretch through the upper back and the shoulders, and then exhale back. Going to inhale to reach the arms overhead and exhale to bring them forward. Inhale, reaching overhead, and exhale forward. So we're just going to keep this nice, steady pace. We want to keep the heart rate down. We want the body to come into a nice place of calm and relaxation. So I'm not going to work you hard. I'm just going to help your body wind down. Last one. Inhale, and exhale. Coming up. Now I want you to bring your hands and just place them on your hip bones. Alright, let the elbows relax on the floor. Just feel nice and relaxed through the spine. We're just going to stretch the hips a little bit. So we're going to inhale, taking the right knee out to the side, trying to keep our body nice and still. So we're just working that one leg, that one hip, and then exhale, bring it back to the center. Then we're going to do the other hip. So we're going to inhale, left knee just gently going out to the side, and exhale to come back up. Good. Inhale, right knee out to the side, and exhale to bring it back up. Good. Inhale, left knee out to the side, and exhale. Inhale, right knee out to the side, and up, and left knee, and up. Well done. And you're going to just place your hands out to the side with the palms up, so your upper body is completely relaxed. And we're going to float the right leg up in the air, and we're going to extend the left leg along the floor. We're just going to do gentle circles with this leg. So we're going to keep the leg bent. We're going to take the knee across the body, and then we're going to circle it around, out to the side and up. So we're going to inhale across, exhale around and up. Inhale across, exhale around and up. One more, inhale across and exhale around and up. Then we're going to go the other way. Inhale out and exhale, circle around and up. Inhale out, exhale, circle around and up. Inhale out, exhale, around and up. And inhale out. Exhale, around and up. You're just going to extend the leg, give it a nice little stretch. And then you're going to take it down to the floor. We're going to bring the left leg up. We're going to keep that knee bent so it's not too much of a strain. We're going to inhale, knee goes across the body. Exhale, circle around and up. Inhale across and exhale, circle around and up. Inhale across and exhale around. One more, inhale across and exhale around. Let's go back the other way. Inhale out and exhale around. Inhale out and exhale around. Good. Inhale out and exhale around. And last one, inhale out and exhale around. Well done. We're going to take those legs down and we're going to turn over onto our side. And we're going to have the bottom arm out and we're going to reach our legs out. So you've got one leg on top of the other, hand just in front of your chest, and then you're just going to rest yourself down like so. And we're going to exhale to lift the leg up and inhale to lower down. Exhale to lift it up and inhale to lower down. Exhale to lift up and inhale, lower down. And exhale, lifting up and inhale, lower down. Now you're going to roll onto your front and you're going to have your hands just beside you with the elbows bent, feet apart, neck elongated. You're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to breathe out and you're just going to pull the tummy in and just gently lift up till you can feel the weight on your elbows. And then you're going to inhale to come back down. You're going to exhale, lifting up. This is very gentle on the body. So you want to calm everything down. And then slowly come back down. Good. We're going to exhale, pressing into the hands, shoulders drawing down and back, lifting up. And lower down. And one more, exhale. And inhale. Lowering down. Now you're going to turn onto the other side. And we're going to do the side leg exercise. So lying on your side, hand in front of your chest. And then you're going to exhale to lift the leg up. And inhale to lower down. You're going to exhale to lift. And inhale to lift. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. And exhale to lift. And inhale to lower. And you're going to roll back onto your front. And this will be the end of our routine. So we're going to have our hands back where they were. Head down. We're going to take a deep breath in. We're going to breathe out. Coming up, we're going to press into our hands and you're going to lift as far as feels nice in your body. If you're able to go all the way up, you can just lift the chin slightly and just have a little stretch there. And then you're going to gently come back down. You're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to breathe out, pressing into the hands, lifting up. And then inhale to come back down. Last one now, deep breath in. Breathing out, lifting up. Holding it here, wherever you are. Draw your shoulders down. Let's just lift the chin, have a nice little stretch. That's it. Bring the chin down. Bring the body all the way down. Hands underneath the shoulders. We're going to push up, bring our knees in towards us, widen those knees, and then just sit your bottom down and just stretch your hands out. and just rest there. Just taking some nice deep breaths. And then in your own time, just going to gently come on up. And there you are. So that's your nighttime routine. I hope you feel a bit more relaxed now. And I hope you sleep really, really well. Don't forget, if you liked it, please press the like button. And don't forget to share it with all your friends. And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.